how to convert Spaylater into GCash. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, ensure that your Spaylater account is properly integrated with GCash. This usually happens automatically when you sign up for Spaylater through the GCash app. If you haven't done so yet, open the GCash app on your phone and look for the Spaylater option to get started. Once you're inside the GCash app, head to the Spaylater section and check your available credit or balance. This will show you how much you can use. You can then use your Spaylater credit for various services within GCash, such as paying bills, making purchases, or settling dues at supported merchants. Please note that Spaylater credit can't be withdrawn as actual cash, but it can be used for many in-app transactions that offer real value. If you run into any issues or have specific questions about how to use Spaylater within GCash, don't hesitate to contact GCash customer support or Spaylater support for further assistance. So that's basically how you can convert Spaylater into GCash. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.